Dear students, the previous day we talked about electromagnetic radiation and displacement current, and we tried to drive home why the existence of displacement current has to be proposed and what Maxwell did it. And displacement current is the heart of all electromagnetic radiation. Okay. Today I will discuss the equations, Maxwell's equations. Yesterday the previous we discussed Maxwell's equations. I told you that they are integral forms. Maxwell did or assimilated all the equations till his death in electrostatics, magnetostatics, electromagnetic induction, all, and modified Ampere's Harpautal law and gave you new form. And 4 landmark equations were propounded. And the first law you see here, Gauss law, integral E dot dA is equal to Q by epsilon 0. Second was Gauss law in magnetostatics, it is integral B dot dA is equal to 0. Faraday's law, third law, was integral E dot dl is equal to minus d phi dt. Yes, integral E dot dl you see it is induced EMF. And the fourth was Ampere's and Maxwell's law, modified by Maxwell Ampere's law, and integral B dot dl is equal to mu c mu 0 ic plus mu 0 I0 del d phi dt. This term is the displacement current term. Okay, and this except mu 0, epsilon 0 d phi 0 dt is term is the ID, displacement current term. Okay, these are all integral forms. Now what I will tell today is the differential forms, and it is the differential forms which Maxwell used to further advancing the investigation of these equations and propounded two new equations, 2 wave equations, which triggered him to propound his theory of electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic waves. Yes. In your syllabus, integral equation forms are there, differential forms are not mentioned, but these differential forms are important in the sense that they are the key to have the wave equation. Now, the first equation of Gauss law in electrostatics, which was integral form in E dot dA is equal to Q0 by epsilon, Q by epsilon 0. In differential form, it is written as del dot E is equal to rho by epsilon 0. Is this triangle-like figure, I call it del. It is an operator. It is a vector operator. Okay, you just keep it in mind now. Just know it now only this way. It is a differential and vector operator. It is called del operator. Del dot E equal to rho by epsilon 0. It is sometimes called divergence E is equal to rho by epsilon 0. It is the differential form of Gauss law of electrostatics. Now next comes the integral form which was in Gauss law in magnetostatics, integral B dot dA is equal to 0. The differential is del dot B equal to 0. It's a very important expression. Del dot B equal to 0, or it calls something on divergence B equal to 0. It indicates there is no isolated magnetic charge, or no isolated magnetic pole, either north pole or south pole. There is no existence of isolated pole in nature. Still now, it has been established there is no existence of magnetic charge, and that's mathematical form is del dot B equal to 0 or divergence B equal to 0. And the third equation is from Faraday's law of electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic induction. It is del cross E equal to del B del T. A del cross E, it is a new operator in cross product, the cross operator with the, it is called curl operator or rotational operator. It has a rotational sense. In del cross E equal to minus del B del T. Okay, rate of change of magnetic flux. Yes, rate of change of magnetic induction. In flux, integral form is flux and differential form is rate of change of magnetic induction. Del cross E is equal to minus del B del T. And the fourth form, it is called the Ampere and Maxwell's integral form was in the left hand side, integral B dot dl is equal mu 0 is IC plus mu 0 epsilon 0 d phi dt, and in differential form it takes del cross B is equal mu 0 j C plus mu 0 epsilon 0 del E del T. Yes, J is the current density term. Okay, JC is conduction current density and JD, which is epsilon 0 dE dt, it is called displacement current term. And as I told you in the previous day, epsilon 0 is equal to a new vector in electrostatic, D vector. It is related to the free charge. So it is called del D del T sometimes. Yes, JD equal to del D del T. In free space, D is equal to epsilon 0 E. Okay. Now all these are four differential equations. In fact, these are well known. These are better known than the integral forms. And what is del is your, you have been introduced to a new operator, del operator. In fact, it is a differential operator, nothing but a differential operator. And what is del dot, del cross are differential operations or derivatives of the components of electric fields and magnetic fields. Some combination of derivatives of electric field and magnetic fields, nothing else. So these four equations are differential form of Maxwell equations. These are important in the sense, they are vitally important in the sense, if you combine the third and fourth equation, del cross E is equal to minus del B del T and del cross B is equal to mu 0 JC plus mu 0 epsilon 0 del E del T. These two equations in combination gives a wave equation. I will tell you after. Yes, now in the fourth form I have discussed, del cross B is equal to mu 0 into JC plus JD. It is a total current density. In a system or in a space where there is conduction current and displacement both are present, it is total current density. And in free space, if there are no charge source, then what will be the equations form? JC equal to 0, no conduction current is 0, JC 0, and there is no charge, rho is equal to 0, and the equation will take the form is here, del dot E equal to 0, you put rho is equal to 0, del dot B equal to 0, del cross E equal to minus del B del T, and del cross B equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 del E del T. Or in terms of in some material medium, they take the form del dot D equal to 0, del dot B equal to 0, del cross E is equal to minus del B del T, and del cross H is equal to del D del T. Here see two new vectors. D vector you have known, it is a displacement vector electric, and in magnetostatics you will find another vector, H vector. It is also related to free current. It is related to free current, and D vector is related to free charge. In material medium, these equations hold. So Maxwell's equations in free space, Maxwell's equations in material medium, Maxwell's equations with charge, Maxwell's equation without charge. I will take your special case here.